Hi everyone, it's me, Vackmaster 1991 again. I'm back with the Hoover Floormate Hard Floor Cleaner. Okay, that actually hurt. It has, well, let me move this, my camera. What is it? I don't even know what this thing is called. The strap for my camera and the lens cover. There we go. So anyway, it's got the spin scrub technology, features counter rotating brushes that gently wash and scrub hard floors from all angles, dual tank technology that separates clean and dirty water for easy filling and emptying, lightweight design lets you clean and carry upstairs with ease, wash and wash and dry mode selection, switch just between washing and drying with the turn of a dial. It cleans sealed hardwood, vinyl, ceramic tile, laminate, marble. It cleans all of your hard floors. Wash, scrub, dry, done. Again, the dual tank technology, fingertip solution controls, wash, dry mode, clean boost feature. But look at this, there's a little bit of a mistake. It says the patented counter rotating brushes clean individual carpet fibers, even though it's a hard floor cleaner. So they messed that up, which I think is funny. But anyway, let's get into this thing. So I'm gonna cut right here across the top. Ooh. Goodness gracious. Let's go upside down like this. And then cross like that. Okay, bottle of solution, multi-floor plus hard floor cleaning solution. One of my other floor cleaners that I purchased, I can't remember what it was, came with carpet cleaner solution instead of hard floor cleaner solution, which was funny. But anyway, multi-floor plus, that wonderful smell. This looks like the nozzle. Squeegee for sucking up the water. Floormate hard floor cleaner. Instructions. Okay, next comes the handle. Oh yeah, I need a freaking screwdriver. A mechanical trigger, which is what I like. It's just cold. Not heavy, not too heavy. I don't have someone to film me, so sorry if I didn't get the whole thing on camera. I don't know how long this cord is, but it seems long enough. I have tons of outlets in my house, so that's not a big concern. Another thing for my cat to play with. Tape, or actually this isn't even tape, this is plastic wrap. Here's a tank. So if it wonders, looks like it's foggy. No, it has not been bought and returned. Don't worry. Hoover, I actually saw that on one of the reviews, someone asking, hey, why does my Floormate look like it's been returned? Well, it hasn't. The reason it has that is because at the factory, they test the machines before boxing them, make sure that they actually work, which I like. So I'm going to leave this back. Here's the brush set. And they're pretty stiff. now I need to go grab a screwdriver. I will be back in a second. I'm not going to pause the video. Screwdriver incoming. That's it. Commercial again. Right there. Can't stand that kid's voice. This cord is stiff. That's actually good. There's a stiffer corded vacuum, and that the cords will probably last longer. Less susceptible to damage. So if you need a floor cleaner, go to Walmart right now because they're having this Floormate for $80, 78 something, but anyway, 80 bucks. And there's a clean mode, splurged on it, and make sure to keep it on wash mode because that's what I'm gonna do. It came with everything that it should have. I still love I lost the video of unboxing my Floormate Edge. I don't know. Oh my god, my camera almost fell over. So glad that didn't happen. All the garbage up. So I will use this solution first. It smells nice, like most Hoover solutions do. So all you do is to recline it, is hit this, and just clean like that. So stay tuned. Well, I'm going to, I already vacuumed with the Dyson Kinetic Big Ball. I'll show you what I got dirt-wise. Some pet hair and some pieces of fluff and mass. Piece of something in there. The floors are vacuumed. Someone put the chairs up for me. Excuse me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the Floormate ready. I'm gonna do the kitchen first because that's where most of the dirt is. So stay tuned.